Hello guys, it's Imabed once again. Welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to fix a washing machine. In this video, the washing machine wasn't working correctly. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix it. If you check it correctly, you realize that when you turn on the washing machine, it goes only one-sided unless you push it to the other side before it starts working. So what we are going to do is that we're going to fix that so it will be automatic. I don't need to be the one to turn. See, in this picture, I'm the one turning. So in this case, it means the capacitor is not working or the strength of the capacitor is low. Yeah, based on my research. So what we're going to do is that we'll buy a new capacitor and we will change this old capacitor using the same procedure, right? Same wires back to the wires you relay it. Alright, so you stay tuned and watch how it is done. Alright, so moving on, we are made to remove the old capacitor from the washing machine. Then we compare the specifications, how many microfarad or what. If it's the same, then we are good to go. If it's not, we will advise that you get the same capacitor which is made for it. We are glad that in this case it's the exact same specifications, exact same microfarad, exact same wirings. So we just have to switch the wirings. Take black to where it belongs, take red to where it belongs, then take blue to where it belongs. As simple as that. Don't complicate things. Now someone will ask me, how did you know your capacitor isn't working? Alright, I have a tester which I tested the strength of the capacitor and the numbers I was getting wasn't right. Maybe I'll make a separate video concerning that. For now, let's keep on fixing. So fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure after we finish fixing this one, everything will be alright. So if you missed out, what we are doing here right now is fixing the washing machine. Yeah, because when I turn it on, it goes one side and it doesn't reverse. But the machine here is a double-sided machine. It goes left and it goes right on its own. But it wasn't doing that. I had to push it. So based on my research, I found out that it's the capacitor. So I'm glad and pretty sure once we finish this one, everything will come back on track. Fingers crossed. Stay tuned and let's see how it goes. So we'll go ahead and simplify the wires, making it easy. Alright, so in this case what I was using here is the cable belt, right, just to hold everything in place, because it has to be professional. You don't want a case where you'll be leaving all the wires anyhow. We don't want that to happen here. Okay, so we place it where it belongs, right? Then we fit all the cables where they belong. So when all is said and done, cleanly fit it. Alright, let's fix it properly. Now it's good. So we'll go ahead, we cover it up. Then we are good to go. Okay, moment of truth. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, it's turning correctly. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the other videos. Peace out. Make.TV.